gotta figure it out. Good morning, girls. I'm doing my mask. Kids are still asleep, and I'm about to make some coffee. And this thing makes me so angry. I'm not gonna lie. This thing, like this camera, it pisses me off. I've got my phone right here, and I'm trying to be better at this. So this is day one, and it's day one of committing to my own personal goals for 2020. And what is it, January 10th? So I'm not gonna lie. I went to bed last night complaining to Tim. I was pissed. I was just like, you know what? This is bullshit. Why can't I figure this out? Why am I confused? I know I need to take my next step. I know that I'm committed, but it's like, what do I do? What is my next step? Yeah, and you're like learning with me. I have no idea how to work this stupid camera. I'm gonna use my Coffee Mate that has stuff in it that I shouldn't be using, I'm sure. And I'm used to being able to walk away from my phone here and I'm not really sure where to look. So this is day one of me just, and I'm masking, if you can't tell. I have my mask on, getting my coffee at like 6 in the morning, listening to our personal development. Tim calls me and he says, babe, did you listen to our personal development for this morning? You know what I'm gonna say to you? And I'm like, I know what you're gonna say to me. Quit being a little bitch. That's what you're gonna say to me. He didn't say that to me, but our mentor on the video said that. I'm like, God dang it, literally, if you know me at all, it was like, shit, I gotta get out of the bed, I gotta quit complaining, I gotta do this, I gotta figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with my life. I'm living like this big, and I need to be like up here, and I have all these dreams, I have all these things I wanna do, and yet I fall back into, I have figured out what I'm doing, I already have this business, I'm doing this business, but I'm made for more. I'm made for more, and it's pissing me off. He's like, well, pull out the camera, and I'm like, I hate that camera. I just want to use my phone. I know what I'm doing with my phone. He goes, what's that? I'm like, that's called comfort. So it's really easy to show other people what they need to be doing, and I can see the holes in everybody else's business, and I can mentor and help people figure their shit out, but I obviously can't figure my own out. Oh, and it just makes me so angry. I know that God wants me to live big. To be big, I've got to do things that make me uncomfortable. I've got to start from zero. I've got to be nervous. I've got to be confused. I've got to be full of fear, and that's exactly where I'm at. It makes me want to cry. It pisses me off. All of that at the same time. So this is day one. Go on this journey with me. 2020, you may kick my ass, but I'm gonna try, okay? Love you, girls. Bye.